After you pull it up. So after you pull it up, start reel even before you start put down the rod. You understand? Yeah, just like that. They even stop reel. How am there?
They're right by the shore.
Okay. Good one. Catch 2 fish one time within a minute, eh? This one even bigger, bro.
Why you fishing me sorry for you?
You said. You're there today, no? Me lick some of them, but, you know? Just don't lose none. Lose none, me ain't a problem.
Yeah,
So, take it out of the rod holder, feel it like I'm telling you to feel it. And when the time comes, you know if you set it. Tighten it from now, tighten it up from now. No. Right. Right. Feel him now. Lick him now? Yeah, lick him, right. Yeah, make sure you say lick him, man. Get it in him. You lick him, man, you good, man, yeah. Tighten that little more. Tighten the drag a little more. Right. Alright, that's good. Alright, non-stop reeling right now.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
You still up on it?
Yeah. I think so.
Not like him gone, so. You feel him? Go on, reel, go on and see me. But you don't feel like a fight back? Oh, am I fight back?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, see him there. You see that one a while ago? You say him just never down move, you don't want that. So I say when you pull him up, start reel before you put down the rod. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So you look slack when him stop a while ago, could I get away, but 3 him half dead already, no energy left. I teach you the perfect way. Smaller one. You couldn't tell, okay. Tell the tide to come up now. Take time, come up.
You see it for real.
Well, look at time, let's see it. I just watch the stone there, you know? Stone, I'm gonna look at marker. I know them, I start bite, man.
When it comes up fast though.
It come up fast today, as the brother say. You have an east wind.
Yeah.
It make it come up so fast. Otherwise, it take your time. You just barely see the water trickling in the rock them, you know it come up. If you not pay attention, you get catch.
Bro. Boy, Earl a madman, bro. Alright, first of all, the man told me say, oh, we're go fishing, right? He never really explained it that much to me. Apparently, like, at a certain time, the tide is going to go up and all of this is going to come down. Today. You know this way out? Today.
In a couple hours, eh?
In a couple hours, actually.
Ah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. The next 30 minutes or so for. Whoa! The reaction. Oh, I'm thinking get off all again. Whoa!
Yeah, 3 hours.
Huh? Huh?
That's true. No, era, it's a come fast, era.
Nah, come at the wave. Cody, hey, Cody, I'm telling this man, Mr. Cody, don't start fret when you're out there. I say if you start fret,
I used to see a man tell me, say when the water reach, right, that's so.
so wait,
What for good?
you see my point a while ago? It didn't reach just yet, though. So don't stay out there with me.
So, era, how much is your get to my you?
Start walking. Cody, you got alright, man. Just believe you got alright, man.
You see we over there, sir, brother? You see the money took the house there?
Cody.
Yo, bomba, yo, brother. Yo, you remember looking at when we show you right there, sir?
See, look.
Pretty creepy.
Creepy, yes. One of this can sting you.
What are they called?
Horseshoe crab.
Oh, so they're a type of crab.
Yeah.
They
Same
really
color.
look like a horseshoe.
Same color, yeah.
Oh, it's tough.
Tough. Put him in the water. Make sure I'm alright.
Yeah, don't make him
I'll stab him nearly, stab me, brother.
Yeah, stop him there, stop him.
Go on. May I try to help you? Eh?
Yeah, that's right, stop him.
The man try to stab me, brother. Go on. All fat. Come. But there I think so I try to help you. Go on. Alright guys, I know you didn't see my face in this one. We're just, just having fun with my cousin. Caught a lot of fish, huh?
Yeah.
Nice time. Alright, see you next time.